our vision for everyday AI companion for you.
Starting today with one of the most important, Copilot will be available on the Windows 11 desktop. And with a single click, you can launch Copilot, and your AI companion is instantly available. It's informed by what you're doing on your PC. Copilot will also be available across the entire Microsoft 365 offerings. Here you see it in PowerPoint, in Excel, and in Teams, with the power to harness all of your work data and intelligence. And of course, we're going to have Copilot in Edge, ready to help you across your entire web experience. And Copilot is built on top of Bing Chat, so you can harness the full power of the internet. I'm excited to share that Copilot will begin to roll out as part of a new Windows 11 release starting on September 26th.
Here you see a long email. Oh gosh, what a wall of text. I'm trying to figure out the places around this venue that I can go visit while I'm here. I see those places in this email, but I wonder how far these are from here. It doesn't say. As soon as I copy the text, Copilot appears and offers suggestions for what to do next. I really just need it more readable, and I want to know how far they are. In seconds, all of this information is neatly organized. And it even tells me how far away each location is, doing that research for me. But I only want to see the options that are less than a 10-minute walk away. And it does that too, by translating from miles to minutes. Did you see that? I said I wanted to walk, and it knew that telling me how many minutes was a lot better than telling me how many miles. That was so easy, and now I'm ready to send it back. Next, we're excited to share a brand new feature coming to Windows, Ink Anywhere, which means you can use your pen to ink in any text box anywhere in Windows 11. Let me show you how the pen and the power of Copilot come together to complete a task. Let's use a simple example. How about math equations? Have you ever tried to write a complex math equation with your keyboard? I'll tell you, it is not easy to do. With Ink Anywhere and Copilot, you can write complex math equations into the text field and get an answer immediately. Pretty simple, huh? But what if that math problem includes a graph? How can Pen and Copilot help? Since you can use your pen across apps like Snipping Tool, watch as you can use the pen to snip a photo of the math problem. You see Copilot immediately start solving just from that snip. And not only does Copilot solve the math problem, which feels magical, but trust me, it's real and powerful, but it explains how to solve it. And this serves as a great learning moment for all those future equations you'll need to solve.
My nephew loves playing soccer, and I want to get him some new cleats. I'm not an expert, so Copilot in Microsoft Shopping will guide me to find the best pair by asking smart questions like his skill level, which is not something I would have thought to consider. Next, it asks me to choose the type of field he'll be playing on. I can even compare my options of top name brands from thousands of online merchants. I can get summarized reviews, including the pros and cons of the shoe, and Copilot gets me to a recommendation. I can even find the best price and online promo codes. You can see that at Edge, we have built-in coupons and cashback, making it incredibly easy to save money when you shop. The shopping features in Microsoft Edge delivered more than $4 billion in savings in the past year. I'll also be able to use a photo or saved image as a starting point for my shopping. My nephew saw a pair of cleats that he loves and sent me a picture. I can use that picture to quickly find something similar. A bit flashier than what I picked, but regardless, Copilot for Shopping made it so easy for me to make a confident purchase. It's like having my own personal shopper. Let's say I want to create a gaming avatar, inspired by the awesome new Starfield game. With the latest DALL-E model, all I need to do is describe the image I want, and I get stunning options in no time. And I can modify images directly in chat. The combination of chat and image creation makes it incredibly easy to refine images until I get it just right. But it's not just the quality of the images that's improving. We're also making it easier to identify images that have been created by AI with content credentials. Now, every image generated is marked as created by AI using cryptographic methods for better transparency. All right, because I can't get over how amazing the new model is, let's take a quick look at the side-by-side comparison of the new DALL-E 3 model to the previous model. It's the same prompt, But because the model now understands the prompt better and is more powerful, the difference is incredible. To help you get the answers you care about faster, we're introducing personalized answers. This means your chat history can inform your results. Here's an example. I'm looking for something to do this weekend, and you can see that Bing remembers earlier conversations I had about sports and my golden retriever. It takes these earlier conversations into consideration to infer that I may want sports-related or pet-friendly activities. With just a single prompt, Bing brings me personalized results from across the web that matches my interests.
Let's say you're a marketer at a national chain of home improvement stores. You start your day with Copilot, asking what's hot in your inbox today. It does some thinking and gives you an overview of the most pressing items. Great. Looks like the new store opening could use your attention. Let's dive in deeper there. Copilot gets to work combing through all your recent emails, meetings, even the ones you didn't attend, chats, and files to get you up to speed in moments. Now, this is pretty sophisticated. It didn't just summarize a single document. It knew what sources to pull from and what information to extract from each. Next up, you need to do some market research. Let's say you want details on square footage and proximity of competitors to your new location. Now, typically, this would take a few hours. Now, you can just put Copilot to work. It scours the web, and within seconds, it finds everything you're looking for. Note that it includes references to all the sources, so you can easily fact-check the results. Introducing Copilot Lab, a new experience that will help people build new work habits for a new AI-powered era of productivity. Copilot Lab is a place to experiment, to learn the art and science of prompting. You'll learn how to turn